The team which had hustled a lot in the last season, the team under the guidance of Pawan Kumar Sehrawat, almost reached the semi-finals in the season 11. Right now, Pawan is in Tamil. Thoda was bought by Tamil. Now, I am going to be talking about, yes, Telugu Titans, the star team of the last season. Without any of the good defenders, still they managed to get into the playoffs. That was a good thing. From the 12th number position to the 6th number, 5 number position. In fact, for a day or two, 4th number position. That was a really huge move up above for Telugu Titans. And right now we are going to be seeing the squad review of Telugu Titans here. Who has been bought, who has been left, how are the defenders, who is going to be handling the cover. All the questions are going to be answered. Starting with the Raiders, we are going to be starting with Vijay Malik, and he is the star Raider right now for Telugu Titans, who has almost crossed 183 points last season and was the good player for UP Odhas when Pradeep Nalwar was there and changed the team, came into this team, came into that team, bouncing here and there, and finally last season he was into the Telugu Titans, and he has been retained by the team of Telugu Titans, and he has scored 183 raid points. That was a huge number. That is a huge number. For him, it is a really good thing. For Telugu Titans, it is a really good thing. Now, only one Raider can't be enough. Just like Pawan Kumar Sehrawat was there in the season 8 and season 9 of Pro Kabaddi League. Alone, Army cannot be handling. Defense must be needed. Another Raiders must be needed. That's why we are going to be taking a look at the next Raider. It is going to be Ashish Narwal. Ashish Narwal was there as well, and who has got more than 100 points. You can guess it. And he had got 138 raid points. That is a really good score for a Raider, for being a Raider in the team. And that is why we are going to be seeing the raiding side first, because they have got a good number, plenty number of Raiders as well as good number of defenders here. Now only 2 Raiders cannot be there enough for a team. So the next spice into the food, the next spice into the cooking curry is going to be Jai Bhagwan, and who had been playing for Bengaluru Bulls, who had got more than 40 points, yes, 46 raid points. He was the player from Rajasthan. Last year in the squad review, I had said that this man can be something different, and he should to be something different. That is why he has been bought for more than 10 lakh this season. Jai Bhagwan had got 46 raid points. These 3 Raiders are not enough. One more is needed. Who can it be? Guess it. The star Raider for Bengaluru Bulls under Pawan Kumar Sehrawat. The one who was the main Raider. In fact, the captain of Bengaluru Bulls in season 6. Yes, I am talking about Bharat Hooda, and he had got 116 raid points last season for UP Odhas. This season, can he do at least a miracle? But here, can he do a miracle for Telugu Titans? That is what we are going to be seeing. Overall, really good team this is going to be having. And if we talk about the not only attackers, not only Raiders, there must be defenders as well. If we talk about the defenders, it is going to be Ajit Pawar. I had said that top 5 defenders from Maharashtra last season. This guy was on the 3rd number position, and this season he is going to be playing for Telugu Titans, and he is going to be the left cover. Now left cover, we know that the situation that 5 defenders are there, 2 Raiders are there, or in fact some teams when they are aggressive they do 3 defenders and 4 Raiders. This team is going to be pretty of average. So keeping that in mind, I can say that he is going to be the in 7 of this team. Coming up next, the star for Telugu Titans, the next reveal is going to be Sagar Raval, who had got 41 tackle points, and in fact getting more than 20 tackle points is a really big achievement for the defenders here. He had got 41, and he was the former player of Telugu Titans last season as well. He's going to be handling the right cover for the team. handling the right cover is not going to be an easy thing, because when a left-sided raider like Shadlu, or in fact even a big raiders are going to be coming like Devang, at that time you are going to be the defender, you are going to be the wild card for the team. So that is why this man is going to be a star defender this season for Telugu Titans. Next is going to be Shankar Gadai. We are not going to be checking his stats because it was like 15 or 14 tackle points. But in last few matches, in last few state level or national level matches, I have seen him doing really good performance. That's why, and he is an all-rounder, so it is going to be a multiple personality. Whenever the team needs raiding side, he is going to be in. Whenever there is a super tackle situation, at that time also he is going to be in. That means he is going to be getting more chances to show his skills this season, because there are not a lot of defenders but lots of raiders. So defenders is going to be needed. That's why Shankar Gadai is going to be a good player for Telugu Titans. Next, the captain of Patna Pirates, because of whom the team reached finals, because of whom we got to know about Devang Dalal, because of whom new players are getting the chance. Yes, I am talking about the king from Maharashtra, the defensive king from Maharashtra. Yes, Shubham Shinde, who had got 58 tackle points last season, and who is going to be the right corner and cover. Both of the right corner and cover are going to be really important, because of them is what a team is going to be checked up, and that is what we are going to be keeping a bet on. Shubham Shinde, Patna's captain, he was there, and in Puneri Paltan he has served a good time in season 10 and season 9 as well. Because of them, that reason, it is going to be here. All the captains are here. Like Bharat, captain, he is here. Shubham Shinde, captain, he is here. And Vijay Malik, almost vice captain last season, he is also here. So captainly personalities are here, and we know when there are lots of captains, that is going to be a hard thing for the team. That is a weakness for the team. If we talk about the next player, it is going to be Ankit Aman and Bantu Malik. I took the names really quick, because these all guys are going to be handling the right cover, because there are not a lot of right covers. It is going to be right corner played by Shubham Shinde, but who is going to be the mysterious figure this season who can handle the right cover? And if we talk about the right cover, if we are talking about the right cover, new players, if they get chance, it can be also all-rounder, it can be also a good player. And one guy from Nepal has been bought by Telugu Titans. You can comment his name. I know who is he, but do you know who is he? Just do that a little bit of research, because why I should do all the research? You are the viewer, you are the fan of Telugu Titans. You should do a little bit research as well. That's why comment down below who is that all-rounder from Nepal. He is going to be an wild card entry for Telugu Titans as well. And in this all situation, all the teams are good, all the players are good. Bharat Hooda has been bought for 81 lakhs and Shubham Shinde has bought for 80 lakhs. So these two guys are going to be the key figures, the action figures for the team of Telugu Titans. And if we talk about Vijay Malik, he has been retained by 51 lakhs and using the FBM card. And using the FBM card on Vijay Malik rather than Pawan Kumar Sehrawat was a smart move by whom I am going to be talking later on this video. But let's see others. Like it is going to be Ashish Narwal, the defender, the raider, the all-rounder. He is also bought for 15 lakhs. And who is the mastermind behind all of this? It is going to be the captain, the coach of the Dabang Delhi when they won in the season 8. Under his guidance, Dabang Delhi had won. And at that time, two players were in the form. It was the Naveen Express and also Ashu Malik. And yes, I am talking about Krishan Hooda, the former server of military and also the coach of Dabang Delhi, and also made them win. Here, lots of coaches are there that made them win. Like I have posted my first video in which I talked about Tamil Thalabas, and there was the coach Sanjeev Balyan who made Jaipur Pink Panthers win in season 9. So that's why I'm betting that they could get into the semi-finals. Telugu Titans, the team which had been in the season from the season 2 or season 3, they had been continuously at the bottom layer of the points table at the 12th number position, but still this time they have got the potential to be in the top 6, top 5. So because of that, and Krishan Hooda, you know, when he gets serious, the team wins. For last season we had seen that example. And also in the season 8, because of this, as well as Shubham Shinde, Bharat Huda and Vijay Malik, I am going to be saying that this team has the potential to reach the finals, but if any mishappening comes, then it can also be into the semi-finals. So that was all. But the new players in this season in this team are going to be the ones that can be the next, the newcomers, the Gen Z of the defense in the Telugu Titans. Tell me in the comments what do you think about this video. What do you think about the Raiders? What do you think about the defenders? Who should have been retained? Who should have been just what? That what you have, your opinion matters as well. You can tell down into the comments, and if you like this video, of course, click the like, share and subscribe, because it is going to be helping me as well. This was all for today. Thank you.